beautiful friends. It's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a newer product from Flower Beauty. These have been out for a short while now. I'm not sure exactly when these launched, but this is the Gloss Crush Lip Serum. These are retail priced at $11 a piece. I definitely picked mine up during a sale, so it wasn't quite such a hit to the wallet. There are 6 shades available. I only ordered 5 of them because the one that I didn't pick up is just a clear gloss. So I didn't feel like that was terribly helpful as far as lip swatching goes, but I did pick up the 5 tinted shades because I knew I wanted to lip swatch and review these for you. There have been so many lip treatments, tinted lip balms, infused glosses, all of that good stuff lately. Plenty of people are sick of it. I've seen so many people online saying, oh, no more of this. I couldn't be farther from that opinion. I love tinted lip balms. I love lip treatments. I want my lips to be so comfy. I have very dry skin, and that definitely translates to having more dry lips as well. So I love a lip treatment. I'm here for the serums, oils, tints, balms. Give me all of that. I will probably continue to buy all of them. I've been testing these out for the past few days, so I want to give you product packaging close-ups. I want to show you individual lip swatches. I want to show you all of these shades swatched together on my arm, and I'm definitely going to give you all of my thoughts, my full review. Before we get into the packaging close-ups, I do want to mention that these have a very lightly fruity scent, probably because some of the key ingredients are apricot oil, raspberry seed oil, and avocado oil. So this does have a very lightly fruity scent. It's not overwhelming. It's not overly sweet candy fruity scent. If I really get in there and sniff the product, I can smell it. But once I apply it to my lips, I don't really notice it at all. Now, I am not somebody that is particularly sensitive to fragrance in my makeup. I really like scented makeup, so it's not something that ever irritates me. But, there is a little bit of a fruity scent there. I always want to mention that because I know some people only want unscented products. This is very lightly scented. Before I lip swatch all the colors I have, I want to show you a close-up look at this packaging and particularly the gloss applicator, and then I'll wrap up all my thoughts at the end. Here's a look at the outer packaging. Pretty straightforward, just a round clear tube, white cap, and then the Flower Beauty logo on one side, and then the actual product name on the other side. The shade names are on stickers on the bottom. The applicator is very similar to the lifter gloss, the Maybelline lifter gloss. It has a very large, oversized doe foot with a big cupped area, kind of scoops out a lot of product. So you really don't need to dip back in to cover your lips. Makes a lot of sense for this product. It's comfy, it's useful, I like it. The first shade that we're looking at on the lips is Pink Crush. This is a very soft baby pink, very neutral, I would say cool leaning to neutral undertone. This one is the most similar to my natural lip color. Next, we have Amber Crush. This one is definitely warmer. It has a little bit of that orangey terracotta tone to it. So if you're looking for a soft, warm nude shade, then Amber Crush is the one that you're after. The next shade is Honey Crush. This one is very close to not being tinted at all. In the tube, it looks like a neutral nude, but once it's applied, it's pretty close to being clear. It does have a little bit of a tint to it, but what you're seeing here is basically my lip color showing through. Then my favorite shade is Bronze Crush. This has more of a caramel brown nude color to it. This one's my favorite. It's the one that I'm wearing throughout the talking portions of the video, and it's the one that I've reached for the most outside of the reviewing sphere. Lastly, I have Fuchsia Crush. This one is a brighter warm pink. Fuchsia Crush has the most impact color wise, but it also needs the most attention as far as application goes. I feel like I need to be looking in a mirror to put this one on, whereas the others I feel more comfortable just kind of slapping on. Now I want to show you all of these shades swatched together. I think it's easier to tell the similarities and differences versus looking at the individual lip swatches. And like I said, that Honey Crush shade doesn't have too much tint to it. These are incredibly comfortable, easy to wear, easy to just throw on. They look cute no matter what eye look I'm wearing. And in general, I do think they have a nice hydrating property to them as well. It probably comes as no surprise that I really like these little Gloss Crush lip serums. Formula-wise, these remind me a lot of the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, maybe a little bit more of that gel texture, almost like the Maybelline Lifter Gloss mixed with just a little bit of Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, which is very high praise. The Laneige Lip Glowy Balm is one of my ultimate must-have, definitely most repurchased product I've ever owned. I use it multiple times a day, every day. So being compared to that texture is high praise in my world. My favorite and most worn shade is this one that I've been wearing throughout the talking portions of the video. It's called Bronze Crush. If I had one, I guess, complaint about these or one critique, let's say, I do think that the majority of the shades look pretty similar on the lips. Not exactly the same, but you definitely don't need all four of these. Especially this one, Honey Crush, just doesn't have a lot of tint to it. The least opacity, the least pigmentation, so I guess this one doesn't really do that much for me, but I'm probably still gonna wear it and use it up. These are really comfortable. They're hydrating. For what they are, I feel like they last a decently long time. I mean, obviously this is a gloss type product, so it transfers easily, it wears off quickly in comparison to something that is more matte or more of a stain. But because of the texture and the thicker gel type nature of this product, it sticks around for a decently long time on my lips. And I just am probably gonna love any lip product that's a mixture between skincare and makeup. And that's what these are, and that's why I like them. I would love to know what you think about this product. Have you tried the Gloss Crushes yet? Are you interested in them? Which color is your favorite? I always love to hear what you think about things too. So make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! From the hmm, hmm, hmm. There are six. uh, what was I trying to say there? I'm not doing great. I have been. It's very fitting that I'm wearing my 90s inspired makeup look. I filmed this makeup look. I don't know what order these videos are gonna go up in, but I've been curating my 90s style inspiration Pinterest board, and I'm starting to do some makeup looks, make some jewelry, and create some outfits around that. I kind of want to make that a series on my channel. I don't know if anybody will watch it. Anything that's not literally palette comparisons are just, they just don't perform well on my channel. But I just like to make all different kinds of stuff. And I guess to my own detriment, I will just keep doing whatever I want. Sagittarius things. But Drew Barrymore is the founder of Flower Beauty, and she's one of my 90s style icons. So I kind of like that my filming schedule worked out that I'm wearing a 90s inspired makeup look while I review some Flower Beauty. Although this makeup look is inspired by a photo of Neve Campbell and not Drew Barrymore, but I could do a Drew look too. She wore some very, very beautiful 90s lipsticks. Anyway, that's not what we're here to talk about. Get to the fun part, and that's I need a drink of water. My throat's dry. That's not good, right? Is it fine? Okay. You know? Do you know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. Zoned out there for a minute. Classic. Last one. Oh yeah. Just sounded like the Kool-Aid Man when I said that. Or Macho Man Randy Savage. Talk about a sweet 90s reference. That would be such a fun Halloween costume. One thing about me, I love a theme. Hey Barbie! Maybe I'll give this color to Amy. I feel like she would love it. She would wear it more than I would. Ooh, I did it. Okay. I still have one more video that I wanted to film today, but my voice kind of hurts. I don't feel like I'm getting sick or anything. It's just there's tons of pollen here. I live in North Carolina. And if you've seen the jokes about the pollen here, it's not a joke. It's real. There's like a centimeter thick yellow pollen coating over everything. So I think that's probably it. But I don't want to risk losing my voice because I have too much stuff that I need to do. I need to work on. I have so much cool stuff. I have a trip coming up. I've got family visiting soon. I've got to like keep it together. So maybe I'm going to go rest my voice. I don't know why I'm talking more. Say that. Big brain energy. All right. It's fine. I'm fine. 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 Dang. Do you ever get compared to a celebrity? Does anybody ever tell you that you look like a celebrity? The most one that I get is Jennifer Connelly, but every once in a while I will get Winona Ryder. They're both super beautiful, so I feel very complimented by those comparisons. I can see Jennifer Connelly a lot more than Winona. Both of our younger selves look really similar, but I don't know. Let me know. I always find this interesting, especially in the wake of the Love is Blind Megan Fox thing. I don't know. It's fine. Okay, moving on. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for being here. There's so many things that you could do, and you chose to watch this video that I made, and that is just super cool to me. So thanks. I love your face so much. I will see you real soon in another video. We're gonna do some fun stuff here. Hopefully, probably. I don't know. Okay, see you later. Bye.